Hi guys and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today we will see how you can hide the notification on the lock screen of your iPhone. So if you don't want to show your notification while your screen is locked, you can just follow these simple steps and you can hide your notification while your phone screen is locked. So first go to settings, then scroll down. You will find notifications option. Tap on that. Then you will see an option that says show previews, and you will have an option beside here always. You can see always is selected. That means whenever I will get a notification, it will show on my home screen even my phone is locked. So tap on this, and from always select to never. That means when your phone is locked, any notification, either it's a text message, WhatsApp messages, anything that comes on your phone, it will be locked and it will not be able to show the complete details. So that's all guys in this video today. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.